Well, today it's going to be a quick one. Not feeling too well. We're going to work on something. This is a we're going to work on something that's already built, and as you can see, this looks terrible. So I'm asking it, is it mobile friendly? Make it responsiveness. Responsive. And this was done 30 days ago. Let's see what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like from the beginning. This is not bad at all. But it's when you click this. Why you got that ridiculousness? I remember when I made it, it said that this was a popular design. And I guess that's for websites. Personally, I haven't seen this design. It did give me some examples, I think. I remember that. But it doesn't matter. To me, it doesn't look good on mobile. Uh, what about you? Maybe it's just me. Nah, it's just ridiculous. Now, the interesting thing is, I have one of these going already in Bolt. So I'm going to see which one. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to see which one I like better. Then I guess I'll invite people to both and see which one they like better. Oh, that goes nowhere. Oh, that's the new design. Okay. We need a forgot password function there. Let's see if I'm still in the system. Okay, I am in the system. Hmm. You know what? I just got an idea. I just got an idea. Suppose the driver just, instead of filling out all of this stuff, suppose the driver just explained what he likes about, if he's experienced, what did he like about his last trucking company, and what did he dislike, and what are you looking for in the trucking company? Well, yeah, that's good. The only problem with that is, oh, that's cool. That can handle a lot of. Let me think about this. That can handle a lot of the heavy lifting because it's easy for that to be audio input, and then they don't have to do as much typing. And AI can scan the answer to assist in the matching, and then an additional four questions. Because the problem with that, well, the problem with that for new drivers especially, is not knowing the things to ask or what may be available to them or some things to ask about in order to decide because and not being happy with it when they find out about it when they get to the company they're at because they didn't know about it. For example, they may not know about driver facing cameras, so they don't know to say that they don't want a driver facing camera. But if they have to answer a question, now all of a sudden you're made aware of it. Does that make sense? So there's got to be some questions simply for the fact, where's that coming from? Oh, that's the feed. Oh, oh yeah. Okay, the feed is working. So there's that. But that's a big differentiator. Well, I don't know. I haven't filled out. As far as I know, it's a big differentiator. No companies match yet. Complete your profile to get a better match. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I filled out all of that. Oh, did I save it? I don't think I saved it. Oh, that's right. They kicked me out. Because you're working on it. Hmm. I'm supposed to be checking this out. Need these pages built. Oh, oh. I think I started in 20. No, I started this year. How much did it cost? $2. Pause you. All right, I told it to build a privacy page, a terms of service page, so that it is in compliance with Google and Facebook for retargeting. Just use the website as the company. All right, enrolled, huh?
Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, wow, we're sorting through quite a pile you sent us. It covers, well, everything from these really intense federal policy battles down in D.C. all the way to the daily grind of just finding a safe place to park when your clock runs out.
Yeah, it's a lot. And we're really focusing on the professional driver's experience here, the folks actually moving everything.
Exactly. The people keeping the country running.
And what's striking looking through all this is this central paradox, right? The industry says it desperately needs drivers, good drivers, but those same drivers, they're facing just constant instability.
Yeah.
Things like, regulatory changes that threaten their licenses, these debates about safety versus privacy, and just frankly, the neglect of the basic infrastructure they need every single day.
It really does sound like chaos.
Yeah.
And the idea behind this deep dive, pulling from sources like Life as a Trucker and others, is to try and see these issues from, well, from every angle, to understand how all this instability really impacts you out there on the road.
Precisely. It's not just about listing the problems. Today's conversation, it's about understanding those external pressures, the politics, the rules, but then crucially shifting to how you can maybe build up some internal control, some financial resilience to navigate it all.
Okay, let's get into it then. We probably have to start with the friction around regulations, the political and administrative stuff that's really challenging the CDL itself.
Yeah, first on the list is a big one from the FMCSA. It's about new rules for non-citizens trying to get or renew their CDLs. Basically, the new federal requirement says licenses are only for U.S. citizens, lawful permanent residents, or folks whose valid immigration status expiration date lines up exactly with the license period.
Okay, that sounds almost like a small detail, an administrative thing. But I was reading in the materials, this could actually knock thousands of legal workers out. How does that work? What's the actual barrier?
The barrier is that alignment thing. So if you're legally here, paying taxes, but your status needs renewing every year or two, think DACA recipients or people with certain temporary statuses, you might not be able to get, say, a 4-year CDL because your immigration doc.
So this is pulling from YouTube, obviously. That's my YouTube channel. And then I'll use information from my website. It's already written in order to create courses about certain aspects of trucking. And also I already have matter of fact, I already have a trucking orientation video. That's a good function to have. That keeps me from, I guess I would need the YouTube API. How does this search work? If I could populate on my side, in the admin dashboard, these fields or these video blocks with specific videos, instead of manually going and getting the share link. Oh, well, I'm not manually doing that now, but it's not able, or it's not. This stuff is set up obviously to pull specific videos for the category. But if I want a specific video, like it might be 5 videos that goes in a category, or as the default, uh, there might be a video different than the one that I want to be the default. Or I might want a specific video to be as the default, or to be used in the course for training. So that's why I'm talking about building that functionality in the dashboard. But I think first, how? Oh, that's my dashboard, Travis dashboard. Let's say, how am I in the admin dashboard? I just created a new profile. But this needs to link back to the home page. Connecting professional trials with the right company. Da, 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 da. Yeah, if y'all are interested in trucking, you can go over here, lifeisatrucker.com, or soon, truckermatchai.com. Oh, man. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, okay. Why is it pulling that? Oh, because it's trucking blog update. Okay, still. Why is it pulling that? All right, y'all. I have to end this video. I got other work to do.